Have you ever wondered how the golden cooking oil in your kitchen is made? From humble seeds to crystal clear, every seed has a story. Every drop of oil is carefully extracted, purified, and bottled, and it all starts right here. Stay tuned as we take you behind the scenes, step by step, to see exactly how cooking oil reaches your table. Every day, thousands of tons of oil seeds arrive at modern factories like this one. These seeds, as the trucks unload, the seeds are carefully transferred into large steel hoppers designed to handle massive volumes without interruption. From the hoppers, conveyor belts transport the seeds deeper into the facility, maintaining a continuous and controlled flow. Even before automated processing begins, workers perform visual inspections to detect any obvious quality issues. Each seed carries oil within it, and maintaining its integrity at this early stage is essential for high-quality production. The separate seed streams are gradually combined, preparing them for the next controlled step in the process. Automated control systems regulate the speed and volume, ensuring the machinery ahead is never overloaded. Dust control systems activate immediately, improving air quality and protecting both workers and machines. At this point, the seeds enter a temporary holding channel, allowing the factory to balance supply with processing capacity. With the seeds successfully received and stabilized, the factory is now ready to begin the transformation process. Before oil extraction begins, the seeds are thoroughly cleaned. Advanced machines remove dust, stones, and unnecks. Magnetic separators remove any stray metal pieces, ensuring the seeds remain safe for processing. Next, magnetic separators remove any stray metal pieces, ensuring the seeds remain safe for processing. The seeds are also sorted by size, which allows uniform crushing and optimal oil extraction in later stages. Multiple cleaning lines run in parallel to handle the factory's massive daily intake, all while maintaining clean air standards. Technicians constantly monitor the machinery, adjusting settings to maintain precision and efficiency. After cleaning and sorting, the seeds gather in large hoppers, ready for controlled transfer to the pressing machines. The hoppers release the seeds gradually, preventing spills and ensuring a smooth, continuous workflow. Automated sensors double-check the seeds for quality, catching any remaining imperfections before processing begins. With the seeds now fully cleaned and sorted, the factory prepares them for the critical step of oil extraction. The cleaned seeds are then crushed and pressed. Under massive pressure, the oil begins to separate naturally from the solid seed material. The steel rollers crush the seeds uniformly, allowing the natural oil to begin seeping out, while maintaining its golden color. A second pressing ensures maximum oil extraction, squeezing out even the tiniest remaining droplets from the seed solids. Freshly pressed oil flows gently into collection trays, capturing the rich, golden liquid that will eventually become cooking oil. Several pressing units work in parallel, handling tons of seeds every hour, while maintaining consistent quality. Technicians continuously monitor pressure and machine performance, ensuring each batch meets strict production standards. The solid remains, known as seed cakes, are transported for secondary processing, while the liquid oil moves forward for refinement. The freshly extracted oil is carefully transferred through stainless steel pipelines, ready for initial filtration and refining. Temporary holding tanks ensure the oil is safely collected and maintained at optimal conditions before entering the refining stage. With the seeds fully pressed and oil collected, the factory now prepares for the crucial refining process. At this stage, the extracted oil is gently heated and collected. This process helps release the maximum. As the oil enters the heated tanks, gentle warmth helps release any remaining oil trapped in the seed residue. Inside each tank, rotating paddles stir the oil, ensuring even heating and preventing overheating. Advanced sensors and automated controls maintain precise temperature, ensuring the oil's quality is preserved. Multiple tanks operate simultaneously, processing thousands of liters of oil while maintaining a smooth, continuous workflow. After heating, the oil flows through preliminary filtration, removing any remaining solid particles before full refining. Temporary holding tanks ensure the oil remains at ideal conditions, preventing oxidation and preserving flavor. Technicians constantly oversee the process, making fine adjustments to maintain perfect consistency and safety standards. The carefully heated oil is then directed toward the main filtration system, the next step toward pure consumable cooking oil. With the oil fully extracted and gently heated, the factory prepares it for the critical refining and purification stage. Raw oil is not ready for consumption. It must be refined to remove odors, color impurities. Transforming it into the oil first enters the initial refining stage, where heat and agitation begin, removing impurities and free fatty acids. Mechanical filtration separates solid particles and remaining seed residues, producing a clearer liquid ready for chemical neutralization. Several refining tanks work in parallel, ensuring that large volumes of oil are purified efficiently without compromising quality. In this stage, chemical neutralization removes odors and unwanted acids, creating oil that is safe odorless. The oil passes through decolorizing columns to remove excess pigments, turning it into a clean, visually appealing golden color. After purification, the oil is stored in clean holding tanks, ready for final quality control and testing. Before bottling, quality control is critical. Each batch is carefully tested to meet strict safety and purity standards before reaching consumers. High-precision viscometers assess the oil's consistency, ensuring it meets the factory's strict texture standards. Chemical tests detect impurities or acidity levels, ensuring the oil is safe and stable for long-term storage. Samples may also be incubated under controlled temperatures to verify stability and prevent future spoilage. Once a batch passes all tests, it receives official approval, ready to proceed to bottling. Every result is digitally recorded, creating a detailed, traceable record for quality and safety compliance. Once approved, the oil moves to automated bottling lines. Machines fill, seal, and label. The bottles are filled with exact volumes of oil, ensuring consistency and preventing spillage. High-speed capping machines tightly seal each bottle, preserving freshness and quality. Robotic arms apply labels with perfect accuracy, providing branding and product information on every bottle. Filled, sealed, and labeled bottles travel along conveyors toward packaging areas, ready for shipment. Each bottle is scanned and logged, ensuring traceability and batch control for quality assurance. Automated packing machines arrange bottles into boxes, efficiently preparing them for transportation. Packed boxes are carefully stacked on pallets and moved by forklifts, ready to be distributed to retailers and markets. With bottling and packaging complete, the cooking oil is now ready to reach kitchens around the world, maintaining the highest standards of quality and safety. Finally, the cooking oil is packaged and prepared for distribution, ready to be delivered to kitchens across the world. Forklifts move the stacked pallets to storage areas or loading docks, maintaining an organized workflow. Each pallet is scanned and logged into the inventory system, allowing precise tracking for distribution. Once ready for delivery, pallets are loaded onto trucks, ensuring safe and efficient transportation to retailers. Inside each truck, the bottles are securely positioned, preventing movement or damage during transit. Trucks leave the factory, carrying the oil to distribution centers, stores, and ultimately kitchens worldwide. Every bottle of oil travels with care, ensuring it reaches consumers in perfect condition. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to see more fascinating factory stories from around the world.